Good afternoon, folks. My name is Mike here with Crandall Office Furniture. In this video, we will show you how to properly disassemble and package your Aeron chair for return. Let's get started. Alright, so here we have a Aeron with a headrest. If you do have a headrest, we're going to go ahead and remove that first. And to do so, we'll be using the Allen key that came with the headrest. And I have that right here in my pocket. And the size on that is a 3/16 inch hex bit. So we're just going to go to behind the headrest here, lower it down like this, and find the screw there, and just go ahead and loosen that up. And you should begin to feel the headrest start to loosen up. And let's go ahead and loosen it up nice and well. And go ahead and set the headrest off to the side. If your chair has the standard lumbar pad, you can skip and go right to removal of the back. If you have the Posture Fit lumbar installed, this is the next step on how to remove that. So I have a Phillips bit on the impact drill on the lowest setting. I'm just going to come in here and remove this screw. With the screw here removed, we need to disengage the wire from the lumbar itself. And here I'm just going to push that wire up and push the lumbar forward. Kind of see how it disengages right there. So after I've removed the screw and I have removed the wire from the lumbar itself, I just need to drop this plastic cover down and pull the wire through the mesh. The next step here is to remove the back from the chair itself, and that's going to be 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to do that, I will need my 5mm bit that came with the chair to remove the screws. With our 4 screws removed, we can place our back to the side. So the next step here is to get the box ready for the chair, and to do so we will start with 4 pieces of filler paper on the bottom. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of filler paper there. Next we're going to take our rolled up roll of paper here, place that in the middle, and now we're ready to put the chair in the box. Alright, now we're going to pick up the chair and place it gently into the box. Try and get it as nice centered as possible. And once you have the chair in the box, let's go ahead and lower the arms to its lowest position. Alright, now that we have the chair positioned in the box correctly, we're going to go ahead and put the back next in here. You can leave the lumbar or the Posture Fit on the back, that's okay. We're just going to put the back on the back side of the chair. Just like that. Okay, for the headrest, we're going to place the headrest behind the chair, right in front of the back, with the frame going down. It's going to set just like that. The next step is to grab 4 more pieces of filler paper and position 1 in each corner of the box. I'm going to go ahead and grab the remainder of my filler paper and just go ahead and put it on top. So for the hardware and screws, you can go ahead and replace those in the envelope in the box, or just put them in a plastic baggie and go ahead and toss them in the box. Next step is to close up the box, and we'll go ahead and tape it up. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and tape up the box securely. I'm going to make sure I use enough tape to properly package it up, at least 6 to 8 pieces. I hope you're able to find this video informative. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at crandalloffice.com. And as always, hit that like and subscribe button. Have a wonderful day. Okay, we're good? That's all there is to it. That's it. You did it. Okay. Okay, all right, all right. Your Aeron classic chair for return. I don't like it. Redo it over. Yep. So that's it, folks. I hope you're able to find this video. Blah 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 blah. Okay, all right. All right, guys, we're all set. Our chair is boxed up and ready to go. That's what I was gonna say. All right. Okay. Nah, I'm not gonna sit down there.
Okay, ready when you are.
Ready when you are.